never heard a big wave. I think I'll go over and pop the question to her. Betty, will you marry me?
No.
Why?
'Cause I want a cowboy for a sweetheart. A rollickin', frolickin' cowboy with a yip-yi-yay. I want a bronco-bustin' sweetheart who rides the range all day.
Oh, yeah?
He must be brave, just like a G-man. My Romeo must be a wild and woolly he-man. I want a cowboy for a sweetheart. A rollickin', frolickin' cowboy with a yip-yi-yay.
I'll show you. A cowboy you want, a cowboy will get it. Oh, what a lovely place. What a nice reception you get here. Go west, young man. Go west, go west, go west. I'm an old cowhand from the Rio Grande. Old ranch. Become a cowboy in 10 easy lessons and sing. Well, here's where the West begins. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Home on the range, man. Hello, partner. Hi, stranger. Chocolate sodies for the boys all around. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, cowboy. Hey, boy. Come here. Hey, get a load of them hats up there, huh? Well, hat me. Put it right up there.
I got you, Sonny.
Oh, wise guy. Oh. That's right. Here's where I learned my stuff. Oh, you won't walk, eh? Well, fix that, man. Stubborn, eh? No cow can get away with that stuff, eh? There we go. Little doggy. I'm an old cowhand. Oh boy, oh boy. Now wait a minute. Come on, march, get going. Oh. This must be where they have the target practicing, eh? Well, I'll show them some shooting around here. They took them out of the bags. Somebody must have moved that target, huh? Well, I'll take another crack at that one. That got him. Why? I didn't want to do it anyway. I'll be hornswoggled. I'll get it. $2 a throw for this thing. Stand still, equipoise. I'm coming aboard. to the office. Oh, thanks.